Hello my friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your location offline. It means that you don't need Wi-Fi, internet or cellular data. Let's turn off both here and I'm going to show you how to send your location offline. Now open settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Now search for compass. Now tap here. And then make sure tap on location. Now make sure it is on while using the app and make sure precise location is on as well. Now let's go out. Open compass for now. Now let's open compass. Here in the bottom, we have a location. Tap it and then copy it. Let's go to the messages. Now a new message is available here. Tap, paste, and send. When that person receives it, you will just tap and hold and copy it. Then you will open the Google Maps. So for now, I'm going to open the internet. Now this is that person. He will open that maps and then tap into search and paste it and search it. And here we go. Here is the location that I shared.